guys, this is Jay from Thundercat Loft, Cliffwood, New Jersey. Spray season's over. I have a few birds that I'm thinking about parting with, and I think they would make some good breeders for someone, and if not, I might keep them. So anyways, this is a blue bar, and it's a nest mate of the blue checker that came home 2 weeks late and was my third bird home from the PAOF 350. That's 350 miles. So this is a full sister to that bird. I believe it's a sister. And this bird was my first bird home from the 300, I believe, placing in the top 10. I think she was in 6th place, or possibly 7th place, I'm not sure, but I'll have a pedigree up for everyone. This is out of Rocket Blood on the father's side, and from my father-in-law, and the dam is out of Jansen and Dream Boy. So all good names, all good bloodlines. You can see this one has nice flights, 3 in a row, on one side at least, and it has 3 bars. You can see that, the 3rd bar just coming in, and on this side as well. And this bird also handles super nice. She came home, she was shipped to the 350 POF, but she came home the following morning. However, she was my first bird home from the 300 combine and placed very, very well. Top 10% in the combine, possibly even top 5%. I'm not sure offhand, but I think it's actually, yes, the top 10% in the combine. I'll post the pedigree as well. Anyway, guys, if anyone's interested in some breeders, let me know, preferably to come pick up from my loft. See, those feathers are squared away, nice and thick. Tail's not as one pinned as the sister, but you know, very balanced. She doesn't curl as much around your hand, but she's nice. If I had to choose between the two, gosh, I don't even know if I could. I like them both. I don't know, guys. I might keep these birds if no one's interested, because they are very nice. If I had to choose between the two, I guess the PAOF winner would be the winner. But this is a very nice bird as well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you're interested.